Hajj is a powerful spiritual journey, but it can be physically challenging, especially for the elderly, sick, or pilgrims with mobility issues. To support such pilgrims, the Saudi government has made wheelchair services widely available in Makkah, along with other mobility support like electric scooters, golf carts, and elevators. Inside the Grand Mosque in Makkah, there are more than 5,000 manual wheelchairs and 3,000 electric wheelchairs provided to help pilgrims perform tawaf and sa'i. These are available free of charge at key entrances including the Eastern Courtyard, Al-Kashashia Rooftop, Southern Courtyard, Ajiyad Bridge, Bab Ajiyad Escalator, and Western Courtyard, Shabika Bridge. Elevators are available to move wheelchairs to upper floors and toilets. Pilgrims can pre-book electric wheelchairs via the Tanaqol app, which is available in Google Play Store and Apple App Store, with pickup locations at the start of Sa'i, As-Safa, and the mezzanine floor for tawaf. To ensure smooth use, pilgrims should enter from specified gates, stay on designated paths, and operate wheelchairs carefully. In addition, golf cart buggy services are offered free of charge in the courtyards of Masjid al-Haram to transport elderly or disabled worshippers. These carts run between gates, making movement easier, especially during peak crowd times. If you prefer more control and independence, you can buy your own wheelchair. Many pharmacies and shops near the al-Haram sell both manual and electric wheelchairs, but prices can be relatively high due to demand. It may cost vary between nearly 300 to 600 Saudi Riyal. A better and more affordable option is to bring a wheelchair from home. You can buy it locally or borrow one from friends or family. After returning home, you can easily return the borrowed wheelchair or donate it for future pilgrims. The Saudi government's commitment to supporting pilgrims with disabilities is clearly visible. Accessible toilets, ramps, elevators, prayer spaces, and special transportation buses with ramps are available across Makkah, Mina, and Arafat. Sign language services, Braille Qurans, and priority support at airports are part of the official strategy. In Masjid al-Nabawi in Madinah, wheelchair users will also find smooth and inclusive facilities. There are wheelchair-accessible entrances, ramps, escalators, and wide-open spaces for easy movement. With good planning, the right support, and digital tools like Nusuk and Tanaqol, Hajj and Umrah are now more accessible than ever before. Pilgrims with mobility needs can complete this beautiful journey in safety, comfort, and peace. We hope this video clarifies your doubts. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave your comments below. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for Mankind for more informative content and share it with your friends and family. May Allah bless you all.